Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So ngayon, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung Crosswave 2.0. So ito yung beta, no, bagong update ng Crosswave. So ang unang step para kumita is i-connect ang CrossX. So click mo lang yan, lalabas yung CrossX. Then click mo lang din yung connect, yan na lalabas. Ito. After that, you need to go back to Crosswave and wait for the confirmation of your connection. Click lang natin ulit yung sign message. Then, open. Tapos dito, lalabas ito. Open mo lang. Tapos, yun. And confirm mo ulit. Okay, completed. So ngayon nakalagin na tayo successfully. Ito yung mga campaigns guys, no? So each campaign meron kang makukuhang pera dyan. So dito sa stream 80,000 cross. So roughly maybe around times 6 mo yan 500k each. Ito sa Rohan, Chrome, Forge, meron din tayong Pixel Heroes, Cooking Adventure, tig 25k and 40k cross. Aside from that, meron din Dragonflight Web 3. So maraming pool, no, of rewards para sa mga campaigns na to guys. So mamimili lang kayo dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong gawan ng content. And yung AI dito sa system na to, i-rate yung video nyo according sa quality. So next is kailangan mo mag-connect. Click mo. Then check channel ID. After that, you just copy your channel ID in YouTube and paste there. Then Crosswave will give you a code. You need to paste that in your description sa YouTube account mo para ma-detect ka ng AI system nila. After that, click mo yung profile. Update mo rin yung image mo, no, for your profile picture as a streamer. After that, you wait 30 minutes to 1 hour guys. Ma-verify na yung account mo and you can start posting videos. So remember to always use yung code per campaign para ma-detect ka sa campaign na yon. And reminder again, isang campaign lang for video. Okay? So you need to focus your video on one campaign. So yun lang muna sa ngayon guys. Sana may natutunan kayo and sana mag-earn na rin kayo sa Crosswave 2.0 beta natin. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Brothers TV.